During the freedom struggle, the Congress on one hand was fighting for the independence of the country, while on the other hand, it was also formulating policies conducive to an independent India. Congress had envisaged a prosperous India after independence, for which strong policies for industrial development were imperative. The country had already conveyed its trust in the Congress through the verdict of the 1937 provincial elections. Maintaining this trust, the Congress in 1938 constituted the National Planning Committee under the leadership of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru for laying a strong foundation for the economic development of the country. National poet Rabindranath Tagore and Meghnad Saha compelled Pandit Nehru to become the chairman of this committee. The committee was entrusted to work in the areas of agriculture, industry, demographic relations, business, transport, public welfare, education, and the role of women in a planned economy, so that a broad national plan for the solution of poverty, unemployment, national defense, and general economic emancipation could be formulated. Essentially, the Congress aimed at encouraging a small and cottage industry-based model for the industrialization of the country while treading the path of non-cooperation with the British. The Congress, through the National Planning Committee, was trying to solve the problem of unemployment, encourage social values, compete with foreign industry, and improve the standard of living for the common people. This committee also laid emphasis on self-reliance or Atmanirbharta and planning for economic development.
We have to think always, together with any planned scheme of development, there should be a planned scheme of that development or other developments immediately taking effect with the masses of our people.
These development programs had the support of top leaders like Sardar Patel, Rajendra Prasad and Acharya Kriplani. This policy formulation by Congress, even before India gained independence, underlined the fact that our nation was ready to be an independent sovereign country. Overall, the vision of Congress was clear: to lay a strong foundation of an India which had its distinct identity in the world, and Congress was successful in this endeavour. Jai Hind.